Hello everyone. Today I am going to be teaching you how to use Excel. Excel is one of the best things that my mom used or a program. So today we are just going to be learning how to make formulas in Excel. Let's get started. So you see this, right? You see this? You see my mouse moving? So these parts at the top right here, what I'm pointing at, they're called columns. They're called columns, okay? They reach from A to Z, and we have these numbers right here. They're called rows. Rows can reach up to 100, I think. 100 or less. So, this is how to make a formula. It's honestly this very simple. Anything you want, you can solve your problems away. So, to make it a little bit tougher, I'm starting off hard. So right here on these things are called the cells. This is F5 cell, G5 cell, They have their codes right here. They have those. They're called name boxes. So right here we have how about we make it bigger? You wait it up. So you can size it because if you see this arrow, you know, you can do that. For me, I'll just do that. So how about we do 3G graphics money? Money? No. So to make it fun, yeah, we have this. Now we will be adding, bits right there. Now we have that. We will be adding how about t-shirts, t-shirts, tarpaulin. So, and then here we are. And this is where we put out total. So for now, we are going to add in, it's not July, right? It's October. But I'll put out, mm, wait, July 1, July 2. I'll be putting it out from 1 to 15. So to make it quicker, you want to do this, scan it, and you make sure you see this black cross, and you just fill it up. Ta-da! My mom taught me this, and I'm shook at how easy it is. For day one, we only got 32 because nobody actually wanted it. For this one, we got 400. For this one, how about 65? To solve this, it's very very easy. But also one thing about this is if you have this, there's a complete other way, which is equal. Always start your formulas with equal. Sum, add in this by shifting 9, shifting 0, and then you'll see this on the formula bar. You want to press this middle part, and then you see this cross, it does this. So now you have this formula. If you press enter, your results will be there. So you can also do this with other ones, like for example, 34. This, di- about that's a lot. I know tarpaulins in our shop is like very rich, but who cares? And I'm gonna put out some few more examples. Bro, that's a lot, but it's okay. So when you found something like this, there's a lot. This thing can reach up to a lot. But for now, I'm way too lazy, so put out this. To make it easier rather than to put it individually, you want to press this thing. You see that? There's this cross again. Then you do this. Then you get your results. Yay! Yeah, I'm just going to air, eh. So Imagine if you just want to make it like cleaner, I guess. You know, if you want to make it cleaner, it's super easy. I just want to solve this. This is my favorite. So if you want to make it cleaner, like this, I need to like. I think I put it out too much. So we want to get that, scan it right there. So you want to go to this part, all borders. Where was it? Where was it? All borders, press all borders, and it will give you a border, just so you can make it. But if you want to make color, if you want to make color, well, this, do this, and then merge, center. Where was it? Ta-da! Now it does that. Now I want to change the color into oh no, not that. This into this. How about purple? I like purple. Ta-da! Now I just want to erase this part right here. Or do you Oof. Sorry about that. I just got brain fart moment. So yeah, here we have it. And then we do another example. So this next example is, something else. So we want to make another sheet, which is right there. I made a bunch of sheets because I needed to practice more. Now let's go on hardy hard. Now, next one is, I think, math. So, for example, we have in this, this. Let's just make it easy mode right now. So, yeah, let's start. So, we have 34 in that. For now, we are just going to be adding, no, no. No. These ones, I don't really care about them. So right here, we add. So just add and subtract. I'm way too lazy. I'm finished with ya. Answer. Nope. Oh my hell. Bro. Subtract. How about multiply? Next, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Ta-da! Now we have this. So like we did before on the last page, we add an equal. So here we are on E6, E6, which can be on blue. We shift the plus sign, and then we add in F6. Now press enter, you'll get your number. Now for this one, it's super simple. Once again, we put out equal sign. E6 minus F6. There. So that's your result. For multiply, it's the same thing. Now for multiply, we add in this E6. For multiply, it is this. So it's basically this thing instead of an X because it makes sense. And then we go to F6 once again. For divide, those there's a dot there, a line, and then a dot. Well, that's not for this case. In Excel, it's actually a slash. So you wanna put equal E6 once again, and then add in a slash, and then F6. Enter. So just imagine if you have a bunch of them, like this, for example. There's a lot, and you don't want to do it individually, and you're like me, and which is lazy. You want to scan this. You want to go here, and then do this, and you'll get your result. So, yeah, that's how you do it. And if you want to make it pretty, just like me, I like pretty stuff. You want to do the same thing that I did. Press this little QB cube. Sorry. And then press all borders and you'll get your a border. Now since you want to make it like this part, you want to put it on the center, which is right here. Ta-da, it does it on center. But we merge center. JK. So this is how you make it. Now if you want some color, of course you can choose color. Just by recent color, I'm super sorry. Ta-da! So that's how we make formulas in Excel. It's honestly very easy and I really enjoy it. Now let's move on to hard ones because I like to make it hard for people. I don't know really. So we're on D12. Let's add in about this 41 like that. This is just going to be an example. Just so you can make this instead of making it long, you want to add an equal sum shift 9 once again. You do that and then you press this. It's honestly the same thing that we did on the last example. Bam. Then you'll get the answer. It's simple. But if you want to make it like, these ones, like there's like addition, subtraction, it's hard for me because um, my mom didn't teach me. But it's okay. I'm still a kid. I may not understand a little much, but yeah, this is how we do it. Now, hopefully you guys like this video and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.